トランスポートビーコルの2番ということです。Humongous machine.
This is the crawler that takes the rockets back and forth to the pad.
And there are two you need, or just one?
Well, it's the other one sitting right over there. Now, this one had to get modified for SLS and Artemis, so this one can pick up more weight than that one can.
Oh, okay.
That one can only pick up 12 million pounds. This one picks up 18 million pounds. It's the heaviest self-powered vehicle in the world. It weighs over 6.5 million pounds. And we'll roll from here, we'll go over, we'll pick up a mobile launch platform, a mobile launcher, the rocket or something in the VAB, and then we'll roll it to the pad and take it all out there.
Wow, how long does it take from here to the pad?
From the VAB to the pad is 8 hours. And we roll in the middle of the night.
How do you organize that for 8 hours?
It's a lot of work.
How do you start your day? Like, for instance, on the day of?
The day will start many hours before then, while the engineers will come in and get everything ready, because this is not like a car. You don't just run in and turn a key and
Is
go.
someone driving?
Oh yeah, that's the driver's cab right up there.
How many drivers does it take to drive?
So we limit our drivers to about an hour at a time. It takes 8 hours to get to the pad. We'll use roughly 8 drivers to get there. And
So they practice going up and down?
Yeah, we practice every chance we can, yes.
8 hours, one way.
Yeah, but each driver only drives for an hour.
I see.
Yeah. So they swap.
Right,
It's
I
because
see.
it's so stressful.
So we roll in the middle of the night too. So we won't even start moving until about midnight. So you drive through the middle of the night, so you want to make sure everybody stays awake. It is very stressful. It is, even though we go very slow, there's a lot of moving parts, a lot of things going on, a lot of things that have to be aware of. There's a lot of people. It takes about 30 people for us to roll. All the engineers, technicians, we have a convoy that rolls with us and everything.
What do you have to be concerned about when it's rolling?
Everything.
Everything. I have no
mean,
idea, so.
It has roughly 70,000 parts. So we always have to worry about something breaking. We do have to stop sometimes and fix things.
Yeah, I always wonder why it doesn't tip over.
Well, we have a leveling system. It's constantly leveling.
Oh, it's constantly
Yes.
monitoring.
Oh yeah, constantly. We have computers that just do it, and if it gets too far out of whack, then it shuts itself down, and then an engineer goes in and actually adjusts everything and levels it back out, and then it lets us start it back up again.
タイヤの大きさ。ほら。人間の私がこのぐらい。すごい、なんかこれデューンのワンシーンを思い出しますよね。なんかこういうのが砂の中にありましたよ。今からその下を通ってみようと思います。すごいな。So you've seen this moving.
Oh yes, I've actually. So when we put the mobile launch platform on
Yes.
top of this,
Yes.
and it's going down the crawlerway, our buses actually go underneath
Oh, that's
that
gonna be
mobile launch
so
platform.
really
Yeah.
because that high.
Yes.
My goodness.
So as we look at the tracks here,
Yes.
each one of the metal cleats is 1 ton.
Wow.
I'm trying to think. I'll ask John how many.
1
I
ton.
think it's like
1トン。
50 some cleats on one side, and there's 8 of these.
Oh my god. Yeah, right. 1, 2, 1, 2. I see.
Which is proof that it was made back in the 60s.
Oh, what do you mean?
It's 8 tracks. There's an 8-track tapes.
Oh, I see. I now got it.
You're welcome.
No iron
Correct.
on this stone.
Yeah. These rocks also act as a kind of shock absorber. So as the crawler is going across of it, the rocks are actually shifting and crushing.
Crashing.
It keeps everything
Right.
level.
Ah, I see.
80 pounds.
Oh.
Okay. The two black boxes that are sitting above your head, right over there, right behind you.
Yeah.
What is that for?
It's hot
That would
exhaust.
be
That's the muffler.
a muffler.
That's a muffler. For how many engines?
Ooh. 4.
One.
1.
So is this a Link? What engine is it?
It's an Alco.
Alco. So do you
American
guys
Locomotive
do
Company.
you use Alco diesel?
No. You
Okay.
use KSC diesel.
But I mean, there's a difference between my diesel on my bus and
A diesel.
yeah. So does this have alcohol content in the diesel?
If you took a year, we're rolling about 10% of a year,
Yep.
and we're maintaining it the other 90% of the year.
Gotcha. Yeah.
Okay, it's 15 million.
When we take Artemis to the pad,
Yeah.
the mobile launcher and the rocket is about right at 15 million pounds, a little under 15 million pounds. We can carry 18 million pounds. Yeah. This is the heaviest self-powered vehicle in the world.
Can we drive?
It's going to take you about 2
to ask.
years before you get your license.
2 years.
Oh, there's a license.
I'm from Argentina. I can't drive anything.
Someone has to be on the moon to operate something like this in the future. Do you think?
On the future, yeah, the moon will have some type of transports on it, but they'll be much smaller than this. So, yeah.
Because of the gravity change?
Oh yeah. I mean, well, see, y'all aren't old enough for even Apollo. We
Yes.
we had a dune buggy we took up for Apollo. You guys got to go look at the rover videos of that. Those astronauts had fun driving that thing around.
Yeah.
Broke the fender on 17 and had to repair it with cardboard and duct tape.
Right.
When was the last time they moved?
Last week.
Last week.
Yeah.
How far can go?
Yeah, we drive down to the corner there
Uh-huh.
and back. Just we've been doing a lot of testing lately and taking measurements.
How do you guys load it, or do you guys assemble it on top and then?
So everything is assembled in the VAB. That's where they build the rocket. And I put that on top of a big mobile launch tower that's like that one being built over there. And then when it's all assembled, we'll drive over there and drop down really low. And we'll go underneath it and then pick it up and drive away with it.
Have you seen the movie Pacific Rim? It's kind of like that.
That's
You won't get to drive, even them.
Come
so
on
you
board,
can
ask
fly a
questions.
spaceship, but you cannot drive
And
the
we
car.
have a wall in our control room that we make them sign if they come on board. So we can confirm that they've been there.
Mm.
It used to just be astronauts, but now it's starting to become a lot of famous people.
Like Tom Cruise?
Elon Musk?
Not yet.
No.
You didn't get his license.
Yeah, but it's Elon Musk.
All the people that have a license to drive this work in this yard. Actually, some of them you see
How
right
much
here.
money they make?
I don't know.
You don't know?
They make more than somebody who drives a bus or a truck.
More than David?
I mean, they're engineers first,
Yeah.
so they're getting paid engineer wages.
How old is this vehicle?
60 years old last month.
60.
That's
60.
money.
60. Wow.
We had a birthday party at 50.
I want to try to take.
So at 50, we actually gave rides to the media and had a birthday party and a cake and everything like that.
Oh my goodness. That must be
I thought they'd
fun.
do something for 60, but I think all they did was just post something on
We had
X.
time. We had time.
We
Can
do.
Tomorrow.
Birthday month, you know?
I want to try astronaut cake.
Oh, you have?
He's a driver.
Wow, you have the license for this? Amazing.
Yeah, for what that license is, yeah.
We gotta make you guys one, like a little car. I'll get you an John, you should get on that. Come on, you gotta make a little.
So how is it like?
Yeah, but
So you drive for an hour and then the next person, next
hour,
person.
2 hours, just depends on how many people we got, what we're doing, how long we're going. But usually going out, it's about an hour drive.
What is the most difficult or focus that you have to be sharply focused when you drive this? Oh, so you won't wiggle.
The straightaways are the hardest because, believe it or not, the turns. I mean, turns you turn, you have a line you follow, but straightaway it gets real. After about 20-30 minutes, you get real tunnel vision.
Oh.
And depending on how fast you're going, the crawler reacts quicker at higher speeds.
Mm-hmm.
So depending on who's driving, it might be half a mile an hour, it might be 0.8, whatever. But the crawler doesn't go straight. You get in the turn, it locks in. Right? But during straight, you're doing a sine wave the whole time. You just try to get as close to straight as you can get it.
How much do you have to like turn the wheel when you're turning? Is it like a full like, or is
You got
it just a slight?
about this to this is max turn. So it's not actually like a wheel, like you got like a rack and pinion in your car. It's the steering wheel's a potentiometer. So you go a certain amount, that sends a signal to the PLC in the control room, and that sends a signal out to the pump room, directs fluid flow to the steering cylinders, and turns the trucks.
A little bit like a plane almost.
Similar, yes.
Oh.
Just different equation for how it actually does it. And a lot of planes are also mechanical linkage, but this one's all computer controlled out to servo valves in the pump room, and then that just directs flow. The steering valve's up in the corner there, and you can direct it to one side or the other, because all 4 cylinders pump at one time to turn the truck. And say we turn to the left, think about like a record or CD for younger people. Does like this, so the inner trucks are much steeper angle, while the outer trucks are less of an angle.
Right.
Right, that way you just carry that same contour turn. But because otherwise, if we had it in the same angle, you would just dig in on the outer trucks, and it wouldn't turn properly.
Are you allowed to have coffee when you're driving? Coffee
Better
or
believe
something?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
'Cause we usually move around midnight,
Oh.
so we're normally a day shift crew. So we'll get everything ready, and then we'll get off work, go home, sleep for a shift, get up, come back in, and go out at midnight. So usually our nights are first thing, or our drives are first thing in the morning. So you don't have coffee. It's sometimes hard to get going, but once you get going, everything, all the operation starts. It doesn't matter. You're away.
So you're a driver, so you don't have to really worry about monitoring everything on this vehicle when you're driving.
So no,
You have to.
if you're driving, you don't so much. You still have your visual readouts like your steering angle, your height, speed, everything else we have. You do have warnings for that. However, everything you have is read only. The only input you have is the speed and the steering wheel. But there's 2 people in the cabin at a given time, one person driving and one person making sure they don't fall asleep or do anything.
Oh, 2 people on the seats?
Yes,
Oh,
And then you have 2 to 3 engineers in the control room,
2 to 3.
and you'll have 15 to 20 technicians walking around the crawler doing different jobs at any point in time. What did it? What made it? And I saw this, and I remember telling my dad I want to work on that one day.
Nice.
Nice.
As far as getting the job, I finished college. I started clicking through Indeed, applying for every single job. And thankfully, I got a call on this one. And they called me, they're like, got an interview for you. And I'm like, oh yeah, with who? Like, NASA. I'm like, what did I apply for at NASA? I didn't remember applying for it. I just literally clicked
Oh
on
my
everything.
goodness.
They're like, oh, it's for the crawler. And I'm like, I'll take my money. Let's go.
Oh.
And I was like, you want to talk pay? Nope. I don't care. So, but any engineer that's on the transporters, automatically is going to be put in driver training.
Really?
That's just part of this. So all of us there's, I think 8 of us, 7 or 8 of us are certified to drive. But also you got some of those that are certified to drive have to be in the control room. So we have 3 people that are certified to actually run the crawler operation, and I'm currently being trained to be the 4th. We have another one that's also going to be trained pretty soon. But that is the one that controls everything on the crawler, coordinates everything with the launch control, all of that. So that's a lot more in depth. You got to learn a lot more about the crawler for that.
Is it different training when the rocket's on it? Like, do you have to do, or is it just you drive the same as you normally would?
Exactly the same. That's why you practice like you play, right? I mean, just cadence is the same, radio communication is the same, procedure is the same. That way, when you get to the main event, there's no, oh, what do we do? Oh, you've done it. You know this.
So you feel different. You won't really necessarily feel different between the weight, nothing, and the rocket.
The crawler acts different because when you tack on another 17, 18, 19 million pounds, it definitely handles different, it speeds up different. However, I mean, the big thing is when the rocket's another 350 feet up, 400 feet up, right? I mean, it's usually you goose it on the gas pedal, right? I hate to say it that way, but it'll make that rocket tip.
Right.
Like
you don't want to brake hard.
Yeah, I mean, not even too hard. I mean, just going down the crawler way, just normal speed, nothing crazy. You go to the top of the tower, it's swaying back and forth about 3 or 4 feet at the very top. So you're sitting there hanging on, doing the guardrail, doing this number.
Does it get worse when you make a turn and stuff too?
It can, the initial jolt, yeah.
So you were talking about how SLS is effective
Yeah,
than other.
sure. But see, it's such a thing because the way we're planning to do it now, you need everybody, right? You need everybody to do this. It's not just us going up there. We can carry a ton of stuff, right? But you need all these other guys to bring stuff up there too, and to help move the small, other things up that you got to have, landers, some kind of transfer rig, everything like that. And that frees us up to do so many other things with our rocket that we aren't able to do before. So if we can just get up to a couple a year, it'd be great, right?
Yes.
Oh, we'll be cooking with gas. That's the space shuttle guy I'll be speaking, because we were moving, back in the shuttle program, we were moving every week for some reason, right? We were launching 3 times, 4 times a year, so it's great. I'd love to see us get SLS back there. That'd be great. But we'll see how, we just got to get all the little things out of the way and get moving, right?
So this is just for SLS? Do you think it could be used for Starship? Any
If they
other one?
wanted to, yeah. Of course, they'll never do it, but if they wanted to do something with Starship on Pad A that they needed carried out, now they have their own transporters and
Oh,
everything,
they
too.
have their own
Yeah,
something
they
like
have their
this.
own transporters. They use a different method, right?
Okay.
But if you want to have a launch platform, yeah. Actually, they put their building right in the middle of the road in Pad D, so we used to go around through there right up to the top of the pad. So, yeah.
Ah. Is there any Japanese material on this vehicle?
Let me think. Not that I'm aware of. Not that I'm aware of. That doesn't mean that some of the transducers or something might have been built in Japan. I don't know. Or something inside of them. But I'm not aware of any of the big components or anything. A lot of the crawler stuff is still original, believe it or not. We've changed out the shoes and 2 of the engines.
Yes, because he was telling me the Germany manufacturer.
Yeah, they did the hydraulic cylinders that we replaced. For the
Which one is
Japanese installation.
which one is that?
If you walk out around a little bit, you can look up here.
Oh,
You can actually see it up there.
hydraulic.
If you look right under to see the two gray cylinders, it says Hunger Hydraulic.
Yes, I do.
Those were made in Germany by a company called Hunger. And we did all that in preparation between the mods we did between the space shuttle program and SOS. And that's what we did to get that. And that way you can pick up the more weight. They're a bigger diameter
I see.
cylinder, right? Let's see, the cabs, we cut the original cabs off in 2004 because they were getting pretty bad structurally. So we made those and put those up. And then we had a local company that makes Corvette parts. Echo Corvette parts. They made the consoles for us because they were all fiberglass. They were so thrilled to come do that. So we had to make 4, 2 for each crawler.
Is that when they started running the Corvettes up and down the?
They've done that. They've done that all the time. Right? They used to bring those
Take
suckers up.
advantage of that situation. I see.
Well, they're a national Corvette thing. You can order parts from them and build a whole Corvette if you wanted to. But we had to make those. They did a really good job. And then we had several other companies come and put these inlet hoods here and the exhaust mufflers and everything.
When it comes down to electric issues, what would you be worried about the most when it's operating?
Well, that happens to be my job. So
Yes.
Yeah. I don't really worry too much because we do everything beforehand. Do our maintenance, keep everything up to date. Just this time last year, we had our DC generators rebuilt and our diesel engines. We rebuilt the Alcos.
Diesel generator.
Yeah,
Okay.
and it means diesel over electric. The diesel generator runs the generators, right? And the generators generate the power to run the propel motors. And really, honestly, I don't worry too much. We hardly ever trip a breaker or open a fuse or anything. We just try to do all our maintenance
So
beforehand.
when it breaks and you fix it,
And if something does break, I mean, look, it's a machine, right?
Right.
And if something does break, then we come to a stop, we fix it and get it running, go on. We're not going to hold up the mission, right? So we take care of business. But this is our job, right? So you take care of that, you keep it running.